Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this ORSDA 4-in-1 interactive cat toy. Features rechargeable power, touch and voice control, 4 ways to play. Activates every 3 hours, built-in light sensors. I'm going to be showing this to the cat and letting him play with it, tell you what he thinks about it. So we got instructions in there. Got this little cover that goes over the top, so it has like the little things will be going out from underneath there. Here is the main brain of the toy here. It's like a little whack-a-mole feature. These things will poke out there. And then we have some other things to attach here. Little charging cable and whatnot. Let's get it hooked up and we'll see what Boogie thinks about it. Okay, so basically the different settings are, the first one you're gonna have the mat and the wand. So the first set, the light's gonna come on yellow. And it indicates the different modes it's in. So 2 are basically with this thing on. They'll just sit there on the ground, and this little guy will go around. And then another one will do the little whack-a-mole thing. Will push out underneath the thing. Or it'll just look like this moving under there like this. So the cats will pounce on that. Or you could just take this off. So you just turn this, and then you can take this off. And then they can play like regular whack-a-mole with that, where they'll just go after this, or like this one spinning around. So yeah, that's the 4 different things. You can shorten this too if you want and just put this right here, and it has different others. If the cats do take it off, then we can add them onto there. So let's get the cat, see what he thinks about it.